7th of May, and it's gonna be first of about probably do about 5 or 6 videos this weekend. A lot of really interesting things to talk about, and we're going through a transition period here, transition month, and but what I wanted to talk about first was the stock market ES, which is the main index, main future, uh, and whoops, excuse me. And then the thing I want to show you here is that typically the first week of the month is tends to trend bullish, and we've been in a bit of an opposite week. Last Friday is supposed to be um, up, it was down, and then Monday is usually down, it was up. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are usually up, and so what we have here is we have Tuesday down, Wednesday down, Thursday down, and then Friday started down, but I think it was just a bit of a relief rally or a dead cat bounce, and it's just been really, really, really mathematical here. Look, it's lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, double top, lower low, and now the market's given us some really easy decisions to make for next week. Now, typically next week is bearish going into the end of the week, but there's been a lot of negative um, sentiment built up. So what I'm watching for to guide my trades is that I want to see that this line right here is taken out, which is around 2056, 2057. We climb right up to it, but it needs to break this. Looks like the 2060 area, and then if it breaks below, if you notice here, I did a Fibonacci of this whole move since the beginning of April. Is that it's almost been totally unwound, and it keeps being bid back up around this 78% of the retrace. And if it breaks below this again, we're around 243. And I'm not the only one watching this line. A lot of people are watching this line. And also, this is a point of control. Hourly, this is 6 months worth of volume. And if it gets on the other side of this volume area here and it breaks back below this fib line, then 2028 for sure. But then there's also, if you look at SPY below 200, there's a gap to be filled on SPY. So I think these two areas are watching here. So 2060 and up, we're probably pushing back to new highs. 2042 and below, we're probably pushing down, another 40 or 50 points on ES. So I'll talk a little bit more about individual sectors and SPY itself on my next videos. Thanks. Have a great night.